In this first series of tutorials, you'll master the essentials of navigating in the Unity editor. Because Unity is such a powerful program that can do so many things, the interface can be overwhelming at first. So we'll start from the very beginning, making sure that you're comfortable moving around the interface. In an outdoor playground scene, you'll learn how to confidently navigate 3D space. You'll use fly-through mode to soar through the scene view, then frame and orbit around key objects in the environment. You'll also master the move and rotate tools, allowing you to precisely position and orient objects to design your own unique creations. You'll even learn some pro tips for working effectively in Unity, like using keyboard shortcuts to switch between tools, toggling between coordinate systems, and using isometric view for more efficient workflows. Learning to navigate 3D space confidently in Unity is like learning to swim before diving into the deep end. It's critical. It equips you with the skills you need to stay afloat and have fun once you jump in and start creating. So, let's get started by building the essential skills that will empower you to create with Unity.